We are out here at the BMW Performance Driving School, and we have a wet skid pad, an M2 with an 8-speed auto, and lots of tires to burn up. So we're gonna do a quick drifting tutorial here with this M2. This 8-speed auto is a treat to slide. It is a lot of fun. So let's hop in, we'll go over some of the settings, and we'll take you guys out on the skid pad. It's wet, which definitely adds a little bit of a challenge to things, but it really gives you an opportunity to hone your skills out here. So what we're gonna do is we pretty much have everything set up. Engine, chassis, and Sport Plus, steering's in comfort. We have M traction control fully off, and we are gonna engage the drift analyzer. So we go full DSC off, enable the M drift analyzer, only use it on private roads / the racetrack. So before we get going, you wanna make sure your positioning is correct in the car. Steering wheel a little bit higher, a little bit closer to your body so you can control and basically be able to put your wrists over things. So I'm actually gonna move this a little bit closer to me, just like that. So I've got this locked into manual mode. We're gonna start off in second gear, and then we're gonna shift into third for a little bit better throttle control. Initiation is kind of the toughest part. You wanna get to that limit of grip, limit of adhesion, and then add a bit of throttle, steer in, and then catch the slide. And then the maintenance is the next hardest part. Not spinning. If you add too much throttle or too much steering input on initiation, you'll spin. If you add too little, you'll straighten out or snap back. So you want to kind of have it in that sweet spot, and you'll see how we balance the drift once we're out there. Exit is pretty straightforward. Just blend off that throttle, start straightening out the wheel, and you will exit the drift. So there's the pep talk. Let's go do it.
Okay, Alan, one more lap. Gabriel, if you want to pull out, I'll get Julian to pull down a little bit. That's good, that's good. Okay, Gabriel, I'll keep you guys opposite. The heads up on the radio. We'll watch both cars. Always try to stay opposite of the...
We have some rain going on today, so we're gonna kind of get up to speed here. Gonna get up to about 30 miles an hour, 32 miles an hour. And we're just gonna give it a little bit of throttle, kick it sideways, and catch that drift. And the rest is just balancing that throttle right on the edge. And we've got variable grip right now just because it's raining. And you want to keep that car turned in and get it kind of at an angle where you can just control the car sideways. And it's a little bit more angle than you think sometimes. All right, we're in third now, and we are just about at opposite lock. So I am just balancing the throttle and the steering. You don't want to add too much throttle or too much steering input. Let the wheel kind of catch itself. There we go. And once you get into that sweet spot, you can just hold it there beautifully. And you can see I'm barely doing any steering input. Just little corrections to get that front end turned in. And it is a bit trickier with the sprinklers running because we've got standing water. But once you get comfortable with this, that's it. That's how you drift a skid pad. See how long we can keep it going here. There we go, straightening out. Pretty fun. There we go. First gear into second, kick it sideways. We'll give him a little more room.
More space, Chris, more space. Okay, great.
This is a lot of fun. And of course, if you do spin, you just want to hold the brake, let everything come around. It all just takes practice, and it takes practice in a safe environment with lots of space, because you don't want to bend up your car. Let's go a little bit closer to the outside of the track. A little bit of a wider drift here, a little bit higher speed. Alright, then we're going to exit here, just blend off the throttle, straighten out, and there you go.
Okay, green, green, green.
Alright, off we go. Charlie's gotten way better at drifting today. He was spinning out all morning. He's holding it strong.
Red flag, red flag, red flag.
Cool. Little drift tutorial in the M2. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed that, got something out of it. A lot of fun. Stay tuned for some more videos out here at Test Fest at the BMW Performance Center. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cool. Tires are nice and cool too. And when you're drifting in the wet, you don't wear through rubber. At least as much.